Hello everyone, this is Sumit Kumar, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to solve some question related to product of two matrices. Let's say you have a matrix A of size m cross n, and what is the A transpose of size n cross n? Let's multiply them A into A transpose. You are getting a size of matrix m cross n. Let's say that matrix is invertible, of certain power of that is identity. What you can say about that matrix A into A transpose? Is it invertible? Well, if it is invertible, what about the reverse? A transpose A, is it invertible? If not, do we have examples? Or what about the sufficient condition on M on N? We can say that, look, these are the conditions over which this matrix product is going to be invertible. So we are going to understand this kind of questions in this lecture. And also, one more thing is, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel nobleforumindia.com, please subscribe it, okay? And also for more information, you should visit to my website nobleforumindia.com. In Facebook page, you should like Noble Forum India, okay? And let's try to understand. Now let's come to here and let's try to understand the concepts and all related to this question. So what is this question? Here m and n are natural numbers. A is m cross n matrix such that with real entries A into A transpose to the power r is equal to identity matrix. What is that? Let's multiply A. A is of size n by n, right? What is the size of A transpose? N by n. So if you multiply this matrix, you are getting a size m cross n. So you are taking the power r, which gives you the matrix identity matrix. So on that basis, what you can say? M equal to n. On that basis, what we say? A into A transpose is invertible. On that basis, what we say? A transpose A is invertible. Or on that basis, if m equal to n, then A is invertible. So they are asking just a simple question. Just a simple question. If A is of size m cross n, B is of size n cross m, and product AB का certain power is identity, what you can say about AB? Are they invertible? I mean, is this matrix invertible? If this is invertible, what you can say with BA? Is it invertible or not? Under what condition is going to be invertible? That's a simple question they are asking. And this type of questions will come again and again in all competitive exams. Doesn't matter which exam you are going to take. Either it is NET, GATE, and NICHEM, TIFA, IIT JAM, and all CMI, ISI. So forget this is going to ask in some competitive exam. Let's try to understand the concepts involved in this particular questions. Okay, so that you will feel happy and do mathematics. If your basics are not good and you are feeling difficulties on that, something is written here, think about it and enjoy the mathematics. Okay, so let's try to understand this kind of questions. How one can do this. So solution, I always start how to think such kind of questions. So how to think here, right? What will be our approach? How to think this kind of questions? What is given? Let me show that. So given is, you have given me a size A is of m cross n real matrix with the condition such that A into A transpose a certain power is equal to identity. So let's call it. So suppose if B is of size m cross n, so I am asking, this is the fact. If B is of size m cross n such that this certain power is equal to identity, that means what? Determinant of B is not equal to 0, right? Because if you take a determinant of B to the power r equal to 1, that's when determinant of B is not equal to 0. That implies B is invertible, right? So using this fact, here A into A transpose, this is of size m cross n, is invertible. This matrix is invertible, right? So A into A transpose is invertible. Simplest, right? What about the second? What you can say about this matrix, A transpose A? Well, this matrix, let's call it C. This matrix is of size, let's call it this matrix C. And this matrix is of size n cross n. What you can say about this matrix C? A transpose A. See, A into A transpose is invertible. What you can say about A transpose? If M and N, what is the size of matrix A? Is of M into A. If M and N are not equal, it's never going to be invertible. Never ever. Because rank of this matrix, look at the rank of this matrix. This is always less than equal to rank of A. Rank of A. And if M is not equal, rank of A is always less than equal to minimum of M and N. Right? So if M and N are not equal, see, you have given me this matrix is invertible, then of course M is less than N. Then this matrix is never going to be invertible. So for that, just take one simple example. For satisfying this kind of condition. So let us consider M is 2 and N is 3. Look at this matrix. So this is your 2 cross 3. So what about the A transpose? A transpose is 1 0 0 0 1 0. Okay? Just multiply these two matrices. What we are getting? Just get it. So A into A transpose, if you do this, A into A transpose, you will get identity matrix. And what about A transpose A? So A transpose A, you will get it. If you multiply with A transpose, you will get it this. This is 3 cross 3 matrix. So rank of this matrix is not invertible. So this is invertible, but this is not invertible. This matrix is not invertible. So this option is false. This is not always true. Sometimes it may be true if M equal to N, but M is not equal to N, and may be not equal to N, right? So the third option is false. What about the fourth option? If M equal to N, well, if M equal to N and you have given me that, and given, what is the given? That A into A transpose ka power R is equal to R and T, right? So M equal to N, but all the size are N cross N, right? And what we are asking, A is invertible, right? So this is this, that means A into A transpose is invertible. If this is product of two matrices are invertible and they are of same size, that means both of matrix has to be invertible. Proof for it, determinant of both of the matrix not equal to 0, right? Invertible. And because they are the square matrices, I can take determinant outside. So determinant of A times determinant of AB equal to determinant of A times determinant of B, right? This is not equal to 0. Okay? So use this fact. So what I have used is, I have used here this fact. If A is of size n cross n, B is of size n cross n, and you are looking for the determinant of AB, so the theorem is determinant of AB is equal to determinant of A times determinant of B. If they are all square matrices of same order, then I can write, otherwise we can't write. There are examples, right? For example, this may be 2 cross 3, this 3 cross 2. No. So now, that implies from here, product of two things is not equal to 0, means determinant of A is not equal to 0. That implies A is invertible. Okay, so A matrix is invertible. That's it. So A is invertible. What about the first option? M equal to N, if this condition is going to be true? No, I took this example, right? I took the example 2 cross 3 wala part. In 2 cross 3, that actually a matrix that happened and 2 is not equal to 3. So this option is false. Means you have to find which of the options are always true. So that's going to be false. So this is the way to approach such kind of questions. This is not the same key, this is the only approach we have. There are many approaches to get this kind of questions. But this one is easiest one. This is one of the easiest one. There are other approaches as well. But go through it so that you will feel happy. You will do more mathematics so that you will try to understand and all. Okay. So I hope you got the ideas what I have done exactly here. how to discard some option using examples also. When your intuition says, look, this is not going to be true. So I have certain examples, I have certain basics results, through that I have used and got the answer. Okay, so something is written here, think about it. If I really want to do something, if your basics are, your fundamentals are not good, still you can do very good in mathematics. Something is written here, and I will not say anything else. Think about it and come. Okay, will enjoy mathematics. Subscribe my YouTube channel and like my Facebook page also. Okay, thank you for that watching my videos. Thank you.